Hello students, today topic is collinear and non-collinear points. Collinear points are three or more points lying on the same line. Say A, B, C are 3 points are lying on the same line. D and E also lying on same line. F and G are lying not in the same line is called non-collinear points. Lying in the same line is called collinear points. Does not lying on the same line is called non-collinear points. A, B, C are collinear points. D, E are collinear points. F and G are non-collinear points. Coplanar and non-coplanar points. Coplanar points are group of points lying on the same plane, not same line, same plane. Same plane is called coplanar points. If not lying on the same plane is called non-coplanar points. That is axis X, Y, Z, 3D plane is non-coplanar points. Lying on 3 axes is called non-coplanar points. Not same line, different plane is called non-coplanar points. Coplanar means same plane, only plane, not only straight line. Okay, is it clear? Coplanar points are lying on the same plane is called coplanar points.